The last step for this look will be the hair, hence the reason why I chose this comment. Thank you. I actually need a haircut because it's too long and damaged. Before I show you how I usually style my hair, I want to talk about how I wash it and with what. Syoss for volume, I wash it 2 times a week. Not more than that because it will get too dry and it will be even more greasier and so on. At least my hair does this because I also have greasy skin, so I guess the scalp is also greasy. I don't know, but this is what happens to me. I also go in with a conditioner. I use this one, which is flexible hold mousse, and also hairspray, also from Syoss. Now going with the way I usually style my hair. First step, I sleep with my bun on, so I have this bun on for 24 hours, something like that. Next step, just undo my bun with my so long hair and just brush it. Done with the brushing, I split it into 2 and I do this. I take parts of the hair and just play it with my fingers to make the curls. Thing is, the curls need to be in the same direction that the bun made my hair be curly. And yes, I am just playing with it like this. And after I'm finished, just give it a little shake and voila, my hair is done. Follow for more fashion related content.